Now there is some definitions about the e-business. Okay, so IBM in 1997 he gave information that how the transformation of critical business process using the internet technology. So before there used to be business, but they did not have the electronic interface over there. But now they have a both. They have a brick. Bricks means like they have a physical interface, and they have a click. They have a online interface, so we call as a brick and click. So this e-business is an example of a brick and click. So they have a brick structure, they have like a physical structure, as well as an online structure, which we call it click. Okay, so the Gartner, this is a company, a very popular company in the technology, and in 1999 they say that the optimization of corporate business activities via digital technology. So what is e-business in their point of view? They said that it is optimization. So what do you mean by optimization? Means enhancing with respect to time, with respect to processes. Okay, so optimization is being overdone. So optimization is very much important thing. There is another two authors, Kalakota and Robinson. Okay, they also give some very interesting definition about the e-business, and they say that it's the complex fusion of business processes. Okay, so it's the complex fusion why from the offline to the online. And then we have an enterprise application for that, ERP, and organizational structures to realize an optimal business model over. So the previous business model have been changed, have been optimized, and have been like realized over there. So according to the Robinson and Kalakota, they say that in 2000. There is another author, he in Cancer, he said that 2005 that all internal based business activities conducted by the independent enterprises and the industries over there. So this is his definition. Jalisi and Anders in 2008, it says that the use of electronic means to conduct organization business internally or externally. Okay, so you have a connection with the B2E and B2C as well. Okay, so you are connected with the businesses, with the customer, consumer, as well with the B2E. So B2E stands for like a B2 employees. So you are also connected with employees. So employees is for where money is not involved over there, but B2C, money is involved over there. So e-business has both interfaces over there, so internally and externally.